Hello guys and welcome to my channel. So OpenAI, the same company that produces ChatGPT and GPT-4 and even DALL-E, has announced the release of Sora, an AI model that can create realistic and imaginative videos from text instructions. So it can animate still images or extend existing videos with new content. Sora uses a diffusion model that gradually removes the noise from an initial video until it matches the user's prompt. So Sora can generate videos up to a minute long while maintaining visual quality and coherence. With just mere prompts as input, Sora can generate dynamic animated videos based on those descriptions that you've assigned. Imagine creating a short film or an explainer video or even a music video simply by typing your own ideas. So that's the potential of Sora. We can classify Sora as a remarkable achievement in the field of artificial intelligence, as it demonstrates the ability to understand and simulate the physical world in motion. Sora can create complex scenes with multiple characters, detailed backgrounds, and specific emotions. Sora can also follow the user's preferences on the styling, the formatting, and the mood of the video. It can vary and adapt to all this. On the other hand, Sora has some limitations and challenges at the moment. Sora is not yet publicly available, and it's only a few researchers and video creators that have access to it. It's still at the research stage. Sora is also subject to OpenAI's terms of service. It should be noted that Sora may also produce inaccurate or unrealistic videos if the user's prompt is vague, contradictory, or impossible. It depends on the case. It may struggle with accurately simulating the physics of a complex scene and may not understand specific instances of cause and effect. For example, a person might take a bite out of a cookie, but afterwards the cookie may not have a bite mark on it during the video. The current model may also confuse partial details of a prompt, for example mixing up left and right, and may struggle with precise description of events that take place over time, like following a specific camera trajectory. So with the power of words, anyone can create stunning videos that look professional. Whether it is for education, marketing, or personal expression, animation becomes a tool for everyone to share their ideas and stories. So in general, this technology is an exceptional technology that is coming up to change the narrative in the field of artificial intelligence. So these are some of the things you should pay attention to, or you should get to know and understand about the power of Sora, the recently released artificial intelligence chatbot by OpenAI. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye. So the following are videos generated by Sora and their respective prompts that were used.